How to remove payment method from Temu. Hey everybody, if you'd like to remove a payment method from Temu, you may follow up the steps. So open up the Temu application on your device, and once you open up the Temu app, you can navigate to the U tab in your screen, tap on it, and from here look out for the settings icon usually located in the top right corner of the screen. After you tap on it here, you will be finding different options, including the option called your payment method. Go ahead and find it up and tap on it. And then after you tap on it, here it will show you the payment method that you've already added here, which may also appear like this. So you may look out for the card that you've added or any other payment that you've added. And right beside the payment method, you will be finding an option called edit. You may just go ahead and tap on it. And once you do so, it will give you option to delete the card. So look out for delete card option or remove something like that option. After that, confirm the deletion when prompted. Follow the process in order to remove it. And that's it. That is how you remove your payment method from Temu very easily. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we'll be seeing you in another video.